Iftar is the evening meal that is eaten by Muslims, after sunset, during the holy month of Ramadan. It is the meal that breaks the daily fast observed by Muslims, during the daylight hours of Ramadan. The fast is broken with dates, which is the tradition of Prophet Muhammad, followed by a meal consisting of a variety of food and drinks. The time for Iftar is determined by the sunset, which varies depending on the location and the time of year. Muslims usually break their fast with water and dates, following the example of Prophet Muhammad, who is reported to have done so. After this, they may engage in a short prayer before proceeding to the main meal. Iftar meals typically consist of a variety of dishes, including soups, appetizers, main courses, and desserts. In many Muslim countries, there are traditional dishes that are commonly served during Ramadan, such as samosas, pakoras, and various types of stews. Iftar is a time of socializing and community, and it is often shared with family, friends, and neighbors. In some Muslim countries, it is common for people to invite others to share their iftar meal. This is considered a generous act, and it is a way for people to share their blessings and show kindness to others. Overall, iftar is a significant event during Ramadan, and it is a time for Muslims to come together and break their fast, share food and good company, and reflect on the blessings and lessons of the holy month.